What's going on, guys? Welcome to GFX Kapture. Today is another video in my Fast Friday series where I try to show you and share with you some quick tips and tricks about either Premiere Pro or After Effects. So today's video is about how to duplicate your footage on the timeline in Premiere Pro. So without further ado, let's see if we can do this within 2 minutes. So first of all, what I'm going to do is to quickly import a video file or a footage onto my timeline or into my project first of all, then drag it into my timeline to make it into a sequence. So what I want to do now is to duplicate this video footage onto the video 2 track. For that, what I will do is to hold Alt on your keyboard and drag this into the track that you want. So for example, I want it on video 2 and I'll just leave it there. So this, now you've simply and quickly made a duplicate of the video track. You would be probably thinking that if you right click on here, there will be a duplicate option. There isn't. So the easiest way is to press Alt and then click and drag your video file that you want to duplicate into another track that you want in your timeline, in your sequence. Okay, so this was very simple like this in Premiere Pro. I hope you liked the video. In case you've missed the other videos in my Fast Friday series, please do have a look in the link below. If you liked the video, don't forget to like it. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. And until the next video, have fun. Bye.